Okay, so I got another box in from Bespoke Post. We're gonna see what's in it. It's very heavy. Oh yeah, I remember. So this package is called Hecho, which is Mexican for make or made. It's got this mortar and pestle in it and stuff to make salsa or shoot, I can't even think now. Anyway, gives directions on how to make the certain kind of hot sauce. Comes with these two jars for putting your own hot sauce in. A funnel. I guess that's to pour the stuff into the jars. Oh, and two more jars. And a taco rack to set your tacos in when you fill them up and stuff. And Señor Lechuga Spice Blend. Ingredients: dried California chili, dried habanero, salt, dried garlic, and dried onion. And Señor Lechuga Spice Blend. It almost looks like the same thing, except this one has chipotle pepper in it. So almost the same, not quite. And then, oh, there's something else back here. Oh, it's labels for the bottles to make it. There's a chipotle, salt, cali chili, and habanero onion cali chili. And then there's the mortar and pestle. That's pretty big. Oh, guacamole is what I was trying to think of, was the other word. It's made out of granite, looks like. Do you know what a mortar and pestle's for?
Making salsa.
Yeah, but do you know what you do with a mortar and pestle?
Ground it.
That's right, you grind it. So it's pretty heavy. It's got these feet here, and you just put stuff in here and you grind it like that. Pretty cool. All right, so that's this month's Bespoke Post package.